Hello guys, I am Theo and welcome to our channel Bakashet. As always, today we bring you another review of a manga named I Sold My Life for 10,000 yen per year. So, with a pinch of spoilers, let's get started.
初めてだって関係ない好きにしちゃって It's alright 人生なんてむすと甘いバッタなんてダメトイレやんでちゃ口でみんなで忘れて歩け
I Sold My Life for 10,000 yen per year manga has been adapted from a light novel that goes by the name 3 Days of Happiness, which is written by Sugaru Miyake and illustrated by Soichi Taguchi in December 2013. Helpless and struggling for cash, 20-year-old Kusunoki sells the last of his possessions to buy food. Noticing his poverty, an old shop owner directs him to a store that supposedly purchases lifespan, time, and health. While not completely believing the old man's words, Kusunoki nevertheless finds himself at the address out of desperation and curiosity. Kusunoki is crushed when he finds out the true monetary value of his lifespan, totaling a meager 300,000 yen. Deciding to sell next 30 years of his life for 10,000 yen per year, Kusunoki is left with only 3 months to live. After heading home with the money, he is greeted by an unexpected visitor, the same store clerk he sold his lifespan to. She introduces herself as Miyagi, the one tasked with the job of observing him until the last 3 days of his life. The manga follows the remaining 3 months of Kusunoki's life as he confronts lingering regrets from the past and discovers what truly gives life value. I Sold My Life for 10,000 yen per year is very interesting and heart-touching manga, as it shows us what truly values our life, love, friendship, relationship, and many other factors make a human life worth. Human life is only worth when it is utilized for others instead of being selfish and mean. From this point onwards, there will be spoilers regarding the manga. The last 3 months are when Kusunoki comes to realize that there is no one remaining in his life. He cut off all the ties with his family and school friends just due to his egoistic nature about how he is above all of them. Even his newly found friends of his college start to distinguish themselves from him due to this nature of him. Miyagi being an observer so that he doesn't commit any crime or harm to others in mere desperation of loneliness. By gathering up all the courage, he decides to visit his childhood friend Himeno. Being having the same nature as Kusunoki, she had her fair share of problems herself. Himeno, who had high expectations from her life, ended up marrying at the age of 18 and then getting a divorce a year later with a child. Later, Himeno reveals that she hated Kusunoki for a very long time, as he never reached back to her even after asking for help. Miyagi then reveals the reality that Himeno decides to commit suicide in front of Kusunoki in order to make him feel regret for his doings. Breaking all the connection from the past, Kusunoki distributes his 300,000 yen to strangers and heads back to home with Miyagi. Along the advancement of the story, we come across Miyagi's past as how is she repaying her mother's debt by selling her time and working as an observer. As the last 3 days of his life approaches, he is left alone, as Miyagi is no more on her duty. It is then he comes to realize that Miyagi has been telling lies of his life value being 300,000 yen, which was actually 30 yen. Miyagi gave Kusunoki 300,000 yen from her own debt in order to give purpose to his remaining life. Kusunoki feels responsible for the first time in his life and decides to sell off remaining of his lifespans, leaving the last 3 days. Kusunoki was not only able to repay his debt of 300,000 yen, but he was also able to repay Miyagi's debt. At the end, Miyagi too sold her lifespan, leaving only 3 days so that both of them can spend their last days together. 3 Days of Happiness had a beautiful plot which helps the reader to realize that what truly matters human life. With this, we would like to end our review here. Be sure to comment down your thoughts on our review so that we can improvise in future. Thank you and stay tuned.
Da 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 da.